So hey guys, welcome to the video. Well, I'm a developer, so today I'm going to show how much I earn as a developer. First of all, let me show you my website. This lina.mrlithama.in. So for the domain, I bought the domain for 600 rupees, or say, wait, let me just search. 7.1 US dollars. Okay, for $7. So I bought this domain for $7. Then, and it does not generate any income. You can download this model from my GitHub. Just go to lina.mrlithama.com/updates and here it will redirect you to the GitHub. So let's skip this for now. Next is from the Buy Me a Coffee. Okay, I'm gonna take 4 cookies and then 3 coffee. Buy. Okay, here put the name, the QR code. Let's continue payment, and boom, image not available. Okay, so this site does not work, of course. Let's close it. And as I have a channel, I have 5 channels. All of them are below 1000 subscribers. 356 is the max I've got. So in Social Blade, it shows that I earn around $10 every year. Wow. And monthly, $0.82. I wish it was true. At least I would have been earning. Then if I just go to the YouTube studio, here I'm not yet eligible for monetization. It needs like 3000. I got 17. 2973 more. No, 83. Yes, 83. Next, this is my main website, mrlithama.in. You can get some courses here for free for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some other blocks. Let me just, here we go, blocks. Now here I have added the script for the AdSense, and if I go here, it's loading. It's not ready to show ads, low value content. So yeah, that's it. I earn around $0 every month being a developer. No, actually minus $7. That's my balance. Thanks for watching.